Okay, I'm up. Yeah, I'm kind of in a basement apartment, but that's fine. Crappy day up in Lake George. Had my coffee early this morning, checked the pool, did this, did that. Now I'm hungry. 10:30, 11 o'clock. We want a breakfast sandwich, so we're just gonna wing this. Nothing's gonna be prepared. I just grabbed stuff out of the fridger. I grabbed eggs, bacon, roll, cheese. Boom, done. So let's do this. I sound like a drill sergeant, but yeah, let's do this. We are all set up. Let's see, how many pieces of bacon? Let's go for the gusto today. We're gonna do 4 pieces of bacon. Now we're just prepping stuff here. Look at this old serrated knife. See that handle? Huh? It's probably from the 50s or 60s, I'm assuming, or 70s. I'm not quite sure. Always lift your hand up. We're just gonna cut this roll in half. We're just prepping this because we're gonna toast this roll. A little uneven, but hey, like I said, this is real life. We're gonna do probably 2 eggs on here. This is gonna be a monster sandwich. And I'm just gonna use 1 piece of cheese. I like cheese, but I don't like tons of cheese. I just get everything ready. And I love these little cups, they're so cute. So what I am gonna do is I'm gonna crack these eggs because I find it easier to have the eggs pre-done than I can just pour them right into the bacon fat. So 4 minutes has gone by. Looking good. Not even 5 minutes has gone by, but I am going to pop in here and just flip these over. It doesn't really need it, but I'm going to do it anyway. 8 minutes has gone by. This is the way I like my bacon, so I am going to pause it. Since it's illuminated, I'm just going to hit pause. Take the bacon out and just put it on a paper towel lined plate, or however you want to do it. Be careful, I'm taking the tongs. I'm actually going to take this right out of here. You have to use a little effort to get this out. I'm just going to shake out the grease. Just place it right over in the sink. Now we got some lovely bacon grease in there. All I'm going to do is take those eggs and pour them right in there. I know you get a picture of my lovely arm. A little bit of black pepper, because that's what I like. And we're just going to put it right back in. The other side, what I'm going to do, I'm going to place that roll right in there. So I want that nice and toasty. So we have 12:32 left on the time, but the temp, since it's illuminated, I am going to drop this down to 375. You're going to hit 2, air fry, then temp. So 2, I'm going to up this to 400 and just leave it on. It defaults to 20 minutes because I want this to brown. And I'm just going to hit start. So they're both starting up at the same time. Now I did want to point one thing out because look, those rolls get sucked up. Watch. They move about in there. I wish I had like a little camera. So we're just going to leave it like that. This will be done in no time. Let's check on the egg. Yeah, it's coming along nicely. Now, this is an option. I don't know how you want your eggs, if you want them runny. I'm going to go ahead and I want them runny. So I'm just going to place a piece of cheese right on top and let that cheese melt. And in regard to the roll, my suggestion to you, keep it ajar a bit because now I can see it's not getting sucked up. All right, let's check on the eggs. Oh no! This happened the other day too and I forgot. There's like a powerful fan in this thing. So yeah, the cheese kind of comes off. I forgot to mention that. Whoopsies. So this is pretty much done. You check on that roll. I want to hit 1 and I'm going to pause it. So 1 shut off, 15 is 15. 2 is still going. Breakfast sandwich. Going to take a little bit of butter. Yeah, the only thing I noticed about the roll, they don't brown up. But I'm okay with it. It's just something you have to get used to. Just take a spatula. I'm just going to put the egg right on top of there. Once again, hindsight's always 20/20, and I totally forgot that happened the other day with the cheese. The eggs and stuff will be warm enough to melt that cheese. We're going to take that bacon, place it right on there. Mammoth breakfast sandwich. You're not going to get one of these out. See if we can squish it and make the yolk happen. There's the yolk. All right, this is the breakfast of champions. So I'm just going to take a bite of this, try to, and then split it with somebody. Yeah, this is going to be difficult. We're going to do it this way. Good. Sorry, overzealous this morning. No, this is really good. I'm gonna split this with somebody. Well, this will be my side. But you can make a smaller one. You can make breakfast sandwiches in the new dual zone air fryer. Quick, easy, just play with it and do it. Thanks everybody for watching. Give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the notifications button and subscribe and get Pressure Crisp out there. Thanks everybody. Oh, you didn't get a close up. Yeah.